Sharpen While You Shop. I sit out in front of grocery stores every day, sharpening the knives that people bring me. Sometimes I do the knives for the butchers, sometimes for the different departments in there, the delis, the fresh fruit guys. They all come out here and get their knives sharpened. And it'd be my pleasure sharpening for you someday. I sharpen them for fishermen, I sharpen axes, I sharpen things for outdoorsmen, I sharpen all kinds of stuff. So if you please bring something dull down here, we'll take care of you. It just takes a couple minutes for each knife. It'd be our pleasure to serve you. Thank you very much.
So there you go, guys. Check it out. This is the guy that keeps me sharp and keeps me filleting all my fish. If you guys want to get some good quality knives, you know where it's at. I'll put a link on the video for his knife sharpening services, and just look forward to a lot of filleting videos this summer as we target the halibut, the salmon, stripers, the rockfish, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, and we'll have some good fillet videos and some more videos with my buddy Jeff here. So we'll see you guys later, okay?
Hey, this is Jeff with Sharpen While You Shop. You know, if you just go to sharpenwhileyoushop.com on your computer, there's a calendar there. You click on the day, and it will tell you what store we're at and the hour. So if that'll be helpful to find us, I'd be grateful if you came by. We'd be happy to sharpen a knife for you. Thank you very much.